Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to learn date functions of MySQL. To get the date from the system, we are having three functions: cur date of, current underscore date of, current underscore date. All these three will give the date in the form YYYY, MM and DD. If only time is required to be displayed, we are having two functions: current underscore time of or cur time of. In case the combination of date and time both if we need, and then we are having the function for it sys date of, we can also use now of. Otherwise the third one, current underscore time stamp of. All these three will give the date and time both together. Sometimes we may need to get only the name of the day or name of the month, that is in the words. In that case we can give day name of the particular date. This will extract the name of the day, that is Sunday, Wednesday, like that. Similar way, if we need month to be extracted from the date, we can give month name of date. Let us execute all these and understand the output. First let us take the date function. We are having the function called cur date of. See, anything we want to display, we need to combine with select statement in MySQL. So we give select cur date of, then this will display the current date from the system. Similar way, select current underscore date of, also will give the same result. The next one we are having select current underscore date. It is same as the previous one but without parenthesis. This also will give the same result. If we need to display the time, we can have select current underscore time of. So this will give the time. Similar way, select current time of, also will give the same output. Now let us get date and time together. For that we are having system date. So that is select sys date of. You can see here today's date and time both together has come. Similar way we can also give select now of. It is very easy to understand which is now. This also gives the same output. We can also give current underscore time stamp of. This also will result the same. To get the name of the day, we can use day name, that is select day name of. We need to give the argument here as date. We can also take the current date, so cur date of. So you can see Saturday. Similar way, if we need to take the month name, we can give month name of. We can also give any date here. For example, I am giving here 2002 03 06. See, third month I gave, it is March. Similar way, if we need to know the day of this date, we can give day. Sorry, there is an error. So we are getting Wednesday. Let us see few more functions. To display only the date month or year. Any one of this you want to extract from the given date, accordingly we can use the methods. Year of the date, it will extract only the year from the given date. Similarly, month of date and then day of date. If you want to count the day of year or month or week, we are having functions for that also. Day of year, that means in a year in which day it is, it will count that day and display it. Similar way, day of month also will be displaying the count of that day in a month, but it is nothing but date. If we give day of week of date, it will display in which day we are of in that particular week. If you want to count in which week we are in the particular year, we can use week of date. Come, let us execute and check. To get the year of the date, select year of, let us take the current dates year. So that means 2022 will be the answer, current date of. So it extracts the current date and then from that only the year it takes. You can see the result. Similar way, we can also have month. Let us change, instead of current date, let us give a date 2021-06-01, 6th month. So 6 will be the answer. Let me have the day here. Day of current date. So it is 27th. Get the count, select day of year. Let me give current date itself, current date of, underscore date of, right. So today is 86th day of the year. Similar way, day of month, it will give the date itself, 27. If you want to get a day of that week, today is Sunday, so it will be showing 1. Now let me count the week, select week of current date, or we can also use time stamp. So current underscore time stamp. Today lies in 13th week of the year. I hope the concept is clear now. Here is the summary for you. Keep watching this channel, keep learning. Thank you.